Hello, Jason Collins here, and in today's video I want to share with you a Chrome extension I just created, and it's designed to help people who are just getting into making money online and want to start by doing affiliate marketing. Okay, so what I did is started accumulating information that I've seen online, like YouTube videos, websites, forums, and I wanted to make that information available to individuals who are just starting off, just to be a really good, helpful resource. So as you can see, I've got some video here, and I'll continue to add more information as I come across it. Again, I just started this up, and it's going to continue to grow. And so I've got some checklists here, got some marketing courses. Right now I have one in there at this time. I've got a couple other courses I have in mind that I want to add to make sure that you are aware of them, as well as different affiliate networks. So a huge directory there. I mean, there's just so many different affiliate networks that people can join that they can promote different products, from casino and betting to weight loss to credit cards. There's so many different things that you can promote nowadays, as well as training about finding niches that make money, as well as evergreen type niches. So I've got a huge list there. Just want to make sure that you have that. And some free traffic strategies, some paid traffic strategies, some crazy traffic hacks that you can take a look at. A lot of this stuff is free right now on the internet, on YouTube, but they're in different locations, in different forums. So just wanted to have all this information in one location. So I mean, you can just learn as you want to go through this information and start applying it, as well as some great affiliate offers for beginners to start promoting. So I've got that, as well as some template examples. So if you're looking, okay, I want to start a funnel, are there any types of templates out there? So I've got some that are pretty good, and I'll continue to add some more type of landing page templates and squeeze pages. And as I find them and I see some success with those, I'll go ahead and add them here for free. Again, these are just for you to take a look at. If it applies, go ahead and use it, and if it doesn't, ignore it. All right. So this is the Chrome extension that I will be releasing here shortly. It'll be available on the Google Chrome store. So when you have a chance, go ahead and grab it. All right, that's all I have. Take care. Bye.